Welcome back to our financial education video series where you'll find tips and tricks throughout the year on how to be more financially healthy. Today, we wanted to debunk 3 credit myths that could be costing you some money. Now, when it comes to credit, there is a whole lot of bad advice out there, and following it can have a real impact on your bottom line. So let's talk about 3 pieces of advice that you should ignore. The first credit myth that we are busting today is you need to keep a balance on your credit card to improve your credit score. Now, I don't know where this one came from, but it is really terrible advice, because many people assume that the best way to build their credit score is to use their credit cards, keep a balance on it from month to month, and pay interest. And I'm here to tell you that that just isn't true at all. The absolute best way to build your credit is to pay off any credit cards that you have in full every single month. Because think about it from a lender's perspective. If a higher credit score indicates that you're a more trustworthy borrower, why would a lender want you to be running a balance on your cards? That's a debt that you're going to have to pay back. It's a risk to them. Plus, carrying a balance from month to month means you'll be paying interest, taking money directly out of your pocket. So ignore this bad piece of advice. It's a total myth. It should be busted. And pay off those cards in full every single month. Credit myth number 2 that we're putting on the chopping block today is that if you don't have a credit score, your only option when you need to borrow is to accept a really high interest rate. And I'm here to tell you that this one isn't true either. While many lenders charge really high rates for first-time borrowers, that isn't what we do here at Canopy. While we can't yet offer mortgages to people without credit scores, for all of our other products like auto loans, credit cards, and personal loans, we don't choose to punish you because you haven't had any credit yet. Charging a super high rate to a first-time borrower is like punishing someone before they've done something wrong. I mean, who does that? That just isn't who we are here at Canopy. So if you're looking for your first auto loan, personal loan, or credit card, don't accept a really high rate. Come and see us instead. We have a better option for you. And finally, credit myth number 3 that we're going to bust today is that you should pay someone to help improve your credit score. Now, there are tons of credit repair companies that are willing to take your money to help you with your credit, but most of them are terrible. They don't do a good job and they charge really high fees, and they might end up hurting your credit score in the process. And the truth is that they aren't doing anything that you can't do for yourself for free. Now, if you don't like where your credit score is, we can help. We offer individual financial coaching that can help you get your score moving in the right direction. Now, if you want to start that process, visit our financial coaching website, www.canopycu.com/coach, to book an appointment today to meet with one of us. Our advice is free and you don't have to be a member to meet with us. We'll walk you through that credit score improvement process. Thank you for tuning in to today's video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook to get all our tips on how to be more financially healthy. We'll see you next time.